So I've crawled into a glacier here, into a tunnel under the glacier, and I'm looking out the tunnel now. You can see in the distance there the edge of the Quelccaya Ice Cap. So I'm under the glacier. So when I go here now, a little bit dark until the camera adjusts, this is ice, right? This is glacier ice, and this is the contact of where the glacier sits on actual rock. So this might be 20, 30, 50, 100 feet, 200 feet of ice here going up, you know, above me now here in this cave. I'm just gonna do a little 180 above my head, coming back over here. Here's that rock, this big boulder that actually makes this cave, and here you can see really cool underneath the glacier. There's actually a gap right here between the ice. And again, at this point, this ice might be about 50 feet thick. And then here the rock, the solid rock that's underneath the glacier. And this cave is actually created by this big boulder that's sitting here. If I'm gonna step back a little bit without killing myself, you can see the boulder. You can see how the ice flows around this boulder, right? Plastic deformation, the ice flowing plastically around this boulder. Really, really, really cool. And then let's look at this edge of this boulder. Let's go a little bit in here, right? And kind of see how the ice molds itself around this boulder. And at the same time, the flowing ice is scraping little dirt particles off this boulder and drags it along. You can see this beautifully right here. See those dirt particles on the ice? That's from scratched off the boulder and dragged along by the flowing ice. And the ice is of course, is flowing towards us. Let's go up that boulder a little bit. See how far we can get in there. There's that edge of the ice. The contact between the flowing ice that's flowing above me now, outwards, and the rock here, that big old boulder. And you can see another beautiful scratch marks in the ice that are left by the underlying rock as the ice flows across it. So, absolutely cool. Going under a glacier is just one of the most fun things you can possibly do. I'm gonna go back in here, look at this once more, right? Super cool how the ice molds itself to the underlying rock. And then, here's our rock, sort of stuck. And then if you look at this rock here, right, you can see these scratch marks going this way. So the ice was flowing across this rock, as I'm showing with my finger, cutting these grooves into the rock, and we call these grooves striations. And now we look back outside, back out, icicles hanging off the base of the Quelccaya Ice Cap. Absolutely super cool.